What if the future of warfare isn't human at all? Engineers are building robots and combat machines that are faster, stronger, and tougher than any soldier. These aren't drones, they're the next generation of super soldiers. Ready to see how far technology has gone? Hit that subscribe button because the line between man and machine is vanishing fast. Big Man. Our journey begins in South Korea, where engineers at the Human-Centered Artificial Intelligence Robotics Lab have just unveiled something straight out of science fiction: the giant military robot Big Man. This isn't your average machine. It's a powerful, cutting-edge platform built to accomplish tasks no human could handle. Picture a real-life transformer, not made for Hollywood, but designed for the world's most dangerous battlefields. Big Man is equipped with advanced actuators and a tactile control system, giving it the precision to manipulate objects even on the most unstable ground. Its adaptive motion control allows it to navigate tough terrain, lift massive loads, and respond to its environment in real time. In a country still technically at war, this isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a military necessity. Big Man's primary roles include battlefield engineering, casualty evacuation, demining, and disaster response. South Korea is dead serious about creating superhuman combat machines, and Big Man is the terrifying first step toward a future filled with robotic soldiers. Japanese Combat Exoskeleton Arm. In Japan, the robotics revolution is nothing new. For decades, the country has been a leader in advanced robotics, and their latest engineering feat has become a global sensation. Recently, Japan's military unveiled a groundbreaking project that's pushing the boundaries of human strength. The Japanese armed forces commissioned the creation of a military exoskeleton, an extraordinary system designed to significantly amplify a soldier's physical abilities. After years of rigorous research, engineers revealed the first working prototype: a massive, high-speed robotic arm. Journalists were stunned as they watched the arm move with the speed and power of a striking snake, capable of lifting enormous objects and executing precise tasks with impressive agility. Imagine the arm of a giant anime mech brought to life. But experts say a true combat exoskeleton needs more than raw strength. It requires advanced artificial intelligence and autonomous control to operate seamlessly. What's clear is that Japan is rapidly advancing towards a new generation of military technology that could transform the role of the soldier forever. If you had this robotic arm for just one day, what's the first thing you'd lift? Drop your most creative ideas in the comments below. Corio. At the Osaka Kanai Expo 2025, Kawasaki Heavy Industries revealed a machine straight out of a sci-fi epic: the four-legged hydrogen vehicle, Corio. This futuristic vehicle moves with remarkable agility, controlled by shifting its center of gravity. Picture it as a mechanical mountain goat, effortlessly navigating rugged terrain, mountains, forests, rivers, making it ideal for situations where traditional vehicles just can't go. Powered by hydrogen, it's not only a glimpse into the future of silent, long-duration missions, but also offers the promise of zero emissions, efficient operations. Unsurprisingly, military experts are already eyeing Corio as a potential game-changer for battlefield operations, capable of delivering equipment to hard-to-reach areas, evacuating casualties, and conducting reconnaissance. But Corio isn't just limited to military use. It also holds immense potential in the civilian world: rescue missions, scientific expeditions, and even a new form of extreme tourism. This is the kind of technology that can bridge the gap between two worlds, serving both military and civilian needs in ways we never imagined possible. Before we move on to the next robotic warrior, hit like and subscribe to stay tuned for what's coming next. Kido Toledo. Not all Japanese robots are built for combat. Kawasaki Heavy Industries is working on a humanoid robot that challenges the line between civilian and military use. Meet Kido Toledo, the 8th-generation rescue robot. Although Kido is currently designed for rescue operations, the Japanese military is keeping a close eye on its development, seeing its potential for military tasks as well. Standing at 180 centimeters tall and weighing 86 kilograms, Kido is capable of walking on various surfaces, lifting heavy objects, and performing a wide array of complex tasks. Since 2015, Kawasaki has been refining Kido, and with today's advancements in technology, experts believe we're on the cusp of entering a new era of practical humanoid robots. These machines are no longer just futuristic concepts. They're becoming an essential part of both civilian and military operations, ready to transform how we respond to emergencies and conduct missions. Kabutam RX03. Now, let's shift gears and dive into something truly unique. Created by self-taught engineer Hitoshi Takahashi, the Kabutam RX03 is a giant six-legged robot straight out of a monster movie, resembling a massive rhinoceros beetle. This colossal machine spans 11 meters in length and weighs a staggering 17 tons. With its 6 powerful legs, it moves with surprising stability and even emits steam from its head, adding to its imposing presence. While not exactly fast, with a top speed of just 7 km per hour, the RX03 is powered by 2 diesel engines and can be controlled either from a cockpit or remotely. Today, it's primarily a showpiece, offering rides to curious visitors for just $2. But don't be fooled by its current role as an attraction. This robot could very well serve as a prototype for future heavy autonomous systems, potentially catching the eye of the Japanese military for use in combat or heavy-duty operations. The RX03 is a true testament to the creativity and boldness of Japan's robotic ambitions. Suit DuPont. Shifting from robotic strength to superhuman resilience, DuPont, the advanced materials company, recently demonstrated the extraordinary fire-resistant capabilities of its protective suit. In a dramatic experiment, they exposed ordinary fabrics to intense flames, watching as they ignited instantly and turned to ash. Then came the real test, DuPont's fire-resistant suit. When exposed to the same flames, the result was nothing short of astonishing. The suit didn't catch fire. It only became slightly charred on the surface, maintaining its structure and protective qualities. Made from high-tech aramid fibers like Nomex and Kevlar, the suit boasts exceptional thermal resistance. These materials don't melt, drip, or sustain combustion, making them a literal lifesaver for firefighters, military personnel, and anyone operating in high-risk environments. It's technology designed to push the limits of human safety in the most extreme conditions. What extreme condition would you want a suit to protect you from? A deep sea trench or the vacuum of space? Let us know in the comments. Titanoboa. Our journey then took us to Canada, where we witnessed the creation of a truly colossal machine, the Titanoboa, a giant robotic snake. This 15-meter-long marvel was inspired by the prehistoric Titanoboa kerajonensis, the largest snake to ever roam the Earth. The purpose of this ambitious project? To explore new forms of locomotion beyond traditional wheels and legs. Titanoboa is constructed from 20 aluminum segments, each powered by hydraulic and electric actuators that allow it to mimic the smooth, slithering motion of a real snake with eerie precision. Weighing in at around 1 ton, this battery-powered beast can be operated remotely, making it versatile and adaptable. Some versions are even equipped with passenger platforms, offering a truly unique ride. With added sensors and cameras, the Titanoboa could revolutionize search and rescue missions, accessing collapsed buildings and other areas that are too dangerous or unreachable for humans or conventional robots. It's a new kind of technology that could redefine how we approach disaster response. Exoskeleton R70i. Next on our list is one of the most unique inventions we've seen. Engineers from Genworth have unveiled a groundbreaking next-generation exoskeleton with a surprising dual purpose. The R70i is designed to enhance a soldier's strength and endurance for military applications, making it a game-changer on the battlefield. But what sets it apart is its ability to simulate age-related changes. Weighing 18 kilograms, this exoskeleton uses motorized joints to create resistance, mimicking the effects of arthritis, tremors, and muscle weakness. To further enhance the experience, an augmented reality headset recreates the deterioration of vision and hearing that comes with age. So, why create something like this? The primary goal is empathy. By simulating these conditions, it allows designers, doctors, and soldiers to truly understand the physical limitations of the elderly. But the military potential is undeniable. The R70i can be used to prepare soldiers for extreme physical stress, aid in the rehabilitation of the injured, and create hyper-realistic training scenarios. This innovative exoskeleton isn't just about strength. It's also about fostering resilience and understanding, both on and off the battlefield. If this technology could simulate any experience for training, what would you choose? Drop your most creative scenarios in the comments. From massive beetles to robotic snakes and superhuman exoskeletons, the future of technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. These cutting-edge combat machines and advanced robotics are pushing the limits of what we thought was possible, for better or worse. The real question is no longer whether these machines will become a part of our world, but how we will choose to harness their power. Will they shape our future for the better, or will we regret how we use them? The choice lies ahead. What do you think of these mind-blowing inventions? Which one left you speechless? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the groundbreaking technology that's shaping the world of tomorrow.